Here's how I had to MacGyver a solution when replacing the incandescent light bulb of this ever-ready torch with an LED version. The one it comes with is just an incandescent lamp. So let me explain the problem. This battery here has a center terminal that's negative and an outside terminal that's positive. So normally the light bulb sits like that inside the torch. The negative terminal here from the battery is sent to the center pin, this one here, and the positive terminal, which is conducted by this piece here, is sent via this switch to the side, to this part here of the light bulb. Now these incandescent light bulbs can work either way round. You can either have this as the positive terminal and the side as the negative, or vice versa. But unfortunately the same isn't true with these LED bulbs. But these ones, the center must be positive and the outside must be negative. And that's exactly the opposite of what this unit does when it's connected to the battery. So what I had to do is come up with something that reverses the polarity. In other words, it reverses the way in which these two terminals are brought to these parts here. And here's my template. This here is just a piece of paper, but I cut this template out in aluminium foil. I pasted the foil onto a piece of ice cream container lid that I had cut to the right shape. And the way this reverses the polarity works like this. This center piece here, if you follow this piece of foil over to the other side, connects to this outer piece. Whilst the outer piece on the first side, if you follow it round, connects to the center piece. So now it's time to give it a go. So we place that in there like so. We put the battery in the torch. We carefully place this unit inside. The LED bulb can now go in the top there. On goes the lid. And now it's time to test it out. Yep, I think that works. So to reverse the polarity of this unit, all you need to do is come up with something like so. Hope you enjoyed the video.